Trocha blian in a dhiag a gaibrant omráteach in a immert lé canis na hÉireann, thugann bhí agus Mayo aigear a chéad i lé canúnach. Má dar matanacha a haman trátrachta.
A kick amach mar sin. Isn't Shellif puck a wahos a fáte Rashig Buaicphointí na Maigh. So the Jordan Morris in the hit tog or agus Jordan Morris har a trasnon. Púsma. The attack of train reaches good to Paul General score hold way out Matthew Costa. Oh, Dowell Chetty Livingston. Oh, so was the attack of train. And Regent and Nero to kick also John O'Connor. So Walton score. Force. Yeah, coming in the Meath, so she needs fire. The Matthew Costa rush, Matthew Costa good to Maigh, thought that he Mugan Stua, mind you, Jock hard, thrust on, August Chain, Brat Urushna. 3 goal in after Nish. Nish again. We owes Verlor Porka Jack Carney. Jack the train, and there Craobh, August Craobh go hauling her a thrust on, I can't score. Ilan and Dardicanig Mayo. And the attack to reach, that's like a Verlor Porka. But she's the guy broken a good done it. Will come towards the shot, watch the Rashton Church for the chance at Caulfield. Cole, Kieran Caulfield. Agus Yarshid, Ray Hudson-Torrey. We owe part of it ace contender Valach. Agus Craobh Hauling Ishel.
Number 24, Deirdre O'Connor, replaces number 10.
The attack to reach, is that? No, Phil her foot in the hearts and now read the chop. I think come that he reached. Shot to Joshua the Sean Coffey forced with Chanter Cole and Dara Cole scored to Sean Coffey. Cool Mado shoe the reached. Roiska. Free Hussentori Wuyo. Cora the Hussentori Chin. Is that Danny Moore in the phone there? Achkoolin. Achkoolin gemorgen de Weerglende. Bratach Orosta Marsinja, Cancer Butchers Jachanish. Shot the Santa Kobe. Oh, no! Hushi a move. Jatamach. Oh, or Diego Hauling. He's a dreich to chin. Oh, Kobe McDonald. Kobe Lenny Kitto. Well, Hamas, the end of our real. Agus Shin Mulla. Or the Spira. You check the reach. James Conlon across the heart, puts a hauling again. Maigh goalie in Atrinish. Joshua Mayo, Jordan Flynn, we should have Mugan Stewart, Tasha Lorga Fairrox, Tom Pair and Bots again. Deirdre can be tasked all over Mayo. Mayo check to reach. That's trying to see through the strach. For Tommy Conroy, Tommy across the heart, Tommy Abola, Tommy Hora Thraston, Zanish and Bernalay do get Cahir. Mayo check to reach. There's Fair Lacka, Bacon Slua. And that Emerson Leonard to right. Poor Leish to Currer shot. Rates are top Trasta, we scored to Jarriger at third to 10. Spawn to 10 go Ronan Jones. Dian Beha Kappa. And rates are Tom Logs, so far brushing ishing Mayo. Brushing the chacht. And now trying to finish. They should force Kerry Holding Condera. The Jordan Finnery will Canada. Go Canada for the egg. Jordan Flynn. More on not Ken and Wash and Candy Sluha. Enemy attack to be finished. And that's better Cole, which is at the Cole. Oh, Livingston Reach is Shassa. Conchella for the Rashacut. To call her a Traston to Jack O'Connor. To Colleen Scorrels there. Right. Putting Rudikins on uncision. Mayo tacht a rís to the Jack Kearney go hauling agus Mayo Buaicphointí. Butchers a goose agus butch a cream. Craobh will score in a chop by Craobh agus Togs better go bin a Shinsin's come on Mayo out to Carol Canish to hÉireann. Panchelevaka Buayan Bulcha action genta go Miro took ag Mayo.